First of all, let's add a new layer here and selecting the text tool. And now all you have to need, right here your text. And now to change your text color, select your entire text and click on this color box to change your text color. To change your text font, just click on this drop down. And now from here you can select a different font for your text. To change your text size, press Ctrl T. And now you can easily drag your text to change text size. Click on done. Now hide the text layer and select your image layer. Now we have to select our object. So I'm selecting the quick selection tool and I'm going to selecting my object just like so. You can change the quick selection tool size from here. Now just click on select and mask. And here you can change opacity, you can add edge detection, radius, you can add feather to your image just like so. And then just click on OK. Now unhide your text layer and click on your text layer and press Alt key and then click on this mask icon and then unlink this icon. Select the text here and now you can change your text position just like so.